What's up, guys? We're gonna place the AC compressor on the giveaway pickup today. It's a 2003 GMC Sierra, and without further ado, let's get started. It looks like we have to take off the fan shroud, these 4 bolts, the belt, the 2 bolts right here, and we might have to move this bracket. I'm not sure yet. So let's get started. First, we're going to take out the 2 bolts that are 10 millimeters. They hold the fan shroud on. Belt, it looks like we need a 3/8 drive ratchet. An extension might not hurt. Those look like a 15. And the ones for the lines are a 13. Oh, I almost made a big mistake. Drain your AC system. Drain it really good before you do that. So I'll get this evacuated and be right back. Okay, AC system is evacuated. Take your 2 bolts out, your lines. Disconnect your connectors. Okay, we'll get a ratchet. AC compressor is now off. Real simple to do. And we will take this AC compressor put it in the parts running pickup, and we will go get some parts. Well, we got the AC compressor here. There is the part number right there, ACM 20472. And we'll get to putting it in. Let's get you all set up in a stand. Right here, right there, high side, low side. It helps if you remember what you did with your bottle of Freon and your gauges. Okay, we will turn this vacuum pump on. Oh, we'll go plug it in, then we'll turn it on. Okay, it's sucking on there. We'll open the valve up. We'll just start letting it suck down. And we'll get back to you when it's finished. Okay, now that that's all sucked out, it's been about 10 minutes. Let it suck down. Let it set for, 10 minutes or so, and it's still right there. About 28 in vacuum. So now what we'll do, hook up the bottle. Oops. Now we are going to purge the line. Make sure all the air is out of it. Make sure our hoses aren't going to get caught in the fan. And we will start the pickup. The compressor is on max air conditioning, and now we will slowly start adding coolant. Freon. Compressor is now kicking on and off. It's sort of cold out, so don't want a whole lot of pressure in there. Wait until it gets to about 50 psi on the low side. We'll go in here and feel how the air is feeling. It's feeling pretty cold. Everything seems to be running smoothly. Okay, that is enough Freon. Turn it off. Disconnect our hoses. Compressor's running constantly. Just what we want. Disconnect our hoses. Bit. Okay. We might have to get a new line. I might put this back on and take it back off a couple times. I think that fixed it. And that is the AC compressor installed.